Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Hassan Saeed and I welcome you all at WebDoc Health Session. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is known as lipoma. So first of all, let me tell you that what lipoma is. Lipoma is actually a slow growing benign tumor that is made up of tissue that is mostly present under the skin. They are generally soft in touch, mobile and painless. They are more or less in 5 cm in size. They usually takes place over the upper back, shoulders and abdomen. Cause is unclear. Risk factor includes obesity, family history or not enough exercise. Treatment is observation or surgical removal. If the lipoma is painless and it's not bothering you at all, then you have to observe it as it is harmless. But if the lipoma is painful and it's bothering you and it is restricting your movements, you have to consult your doctor for the surgical removal, because that is the ultimate treatment of lipoma. So if you are at home and you are suspecting a case of lipoma, you have to consult your WebDoc doctor for further guidance. That's all for today. Thank you so very much. Stay blessed. Keep sharing this video. Allah Hafiz.